Hello, very good evening to you. As thousands of students are preparing their return to university, data now shows the highest number of detected infections of coronavirus is in young adults. A leading epidemiologist said today she believes the country is at a critical moment in controlling the spread of the virus. In Leeds, people have been urged to socialise sensibly and responsibly this weekend after the city was, of course, added to the government watch list of areas with high rates of infection. Our correspondent, Richard Galpin, has more.
The new university year is approaching for students here in Leeds. But the movement of thousands of students to universities could lead to a surge of coronavirus cases. And while a coronavirus infection has little impact on the young, they can then spread the virus to other people.
I'm a bit worried about the population, that they might bring something with them because they're from all over the UK and America and things, and we don't know if they're carrying it.
As long as I limit my interaction and use my mask and stuff like that, I'm not really that concerned about spreading it to anyone else.
But experts believe it's likely there will be significant outbreaks.
This is indeed a critical moment. We are now seeing actually the highest numbers of infections, or at least detected infections, in younger people. And the universities are having to put in place important measures to ensure they've got testing capacity, and also thinking very much about how they teach their students.
Leeds is already on the government's watch list of areas of concern, and officials here are worried young people are becoming complacent.
Whereas we were focusing more on specific communities at the beginning, it's now clear that the pattern is changing, and a very strong message going out from us, that to avoid having further restrictions put on us.
The watch list of hotspots like Leeds is growing. South Tyneside, Middlesbrough, Rossendale, Corby, Kettering and Norfolk are also all now on the list after increases in cases. And this evening, Bolton has announced a further tightening of restrictions. People here being asked to avoid mixing with other households and only use public transport if essential, because the council says its infection rate is the highest in England. Back in Leeds, another busy day at Flamingo's Coffee House.
Hi there.
Social distancing vital, but the owner says people are still ignoring the rules.
99% of people want to do the right thing. People are getting fatigue from coronavirus. Everyone, me included, we slip up a bit. It's really hard to keep everything going. And also there are some people that just don't want to socially distance.
And as long as that continues, then infection rates will not come down. Richard Galpin, BBC News.